How do you get what you need when you don't have the final say? My name is Francesca Gino. I'm a business school professor and one of the facilitators of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influence. I've been training executives on these topics for over 2 decades. For most of us, influence often outweighs authority. It's about convincing stakeholders, suppliers, and internal teams to align with your vision, even when they're pulling in different directions. Here are 3 actionable tips to boost your influence. Tip number 1, build trust before you need it. Relationships are your secret weapon. Don't just show up when there is a problem. Be a consistent partner who offers value. A simple check-in or sharing insights builds credibility, so when it's time to make your case, people are ready to listen. Tip number 2, lead with the win-win. Influence is not about persuasion, it's about alignment. Start conversations with how your proposal benefits them, whether it's a supplier improving their volume commitments or an internal team reducing delays. A shared win makes your ask harder to reject. Tip number 3, tell the story, not just the data. Numbers matter, but stories stick. Frame your proposal with a narrative. This decision could cut costs by 10%, but more importantly, it ensures we meet compliance and avoid costly delays. Stories make complex ideas clear and compelling. Influence is more than a skill. It's your superpower. Build trust, align wins, and tell stories that move people. With the right approach, you won't just secure agreements, you'll inspire buy-in. Check out the programs that Conti Advanced Business Learning offers. I've partnered with them because of their commitment to provide frameworks that are both useful and very practical, and that can truly amplify your ability to negotiate and influence effectively. I hope to work with you soon.